I had joined DisplayRide 2 years ago when I left the cab business and joined Lyft and Uber. And I was looking for a dash cam, for interior dash cam. And I found DisplayRide, and I did a research, and they all what they say they are. There's all that great visual resolution quality, great help support, great support system. And I can access any and all videos at any time anytime that I need it. The tech support has been great. When my camera wasn't working right, they was there on the spot. They got me up and running, and I couldn't do ride sharing without it. It's not a want, it's a need, and it's now part of my daily work. So I recommend DisplayRide to anybody who's getting into ride share, taxi cab, anything that you do that involves transport. I would suggest you to look up DisplayRide. They will take care of you for $20 a month. You cannot get the level of quality service that anywhere else. I can almost promise you that. So I'm here to tell everybody. Join DisplayRide, look them up, you will not be disappointed.